warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for rain after midnight. Lows in the upper 30s. Chance of rain 30%. Monday, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of rain. Highs around 60. Monday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows in the upper 30s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles of the south shore of Lake Erie. Small craft advisory in effect through Thursday morning. Gale watch in effect from Thursday morning through Thursday evening. This afternoon, east winds 15 to 25 knots. Sunny. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 3 to 6 feet. Waves occasionally around 7 feet. Tonight, east winds 15 to 25 knots. A chance of rain in the evening, then rain overnight. Waves 4 to 7 feet subsiding to 3 to 6 feet. Waves occasionally around 9 feet. Thursday, northeast winds to 30 knots becoming north and increasing to 35 knot gales in the afternoon. Rain. Waves 6 to 9 feet building to 10 to 13 feet. Waves occasionally around 16 feet. Thursday night, north gales to 35 knots becoming northwest. Rain. This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for WWG57 for the Central Highlands of Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of, or existing severe weather, in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.